Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, here I will explain the material about human circulatory organ. Firstly, I will introduce myself. My name is Putri Sri Agustin. I'm from class A2-20. My student identification number is 20144460062. The human circulatory organ is a system that can circulate blood from the heart to the rest of the body and will return to the heart. This system functions to drain nutrients, oxygen, to remove metabolic waste in the form of carbon dioxide. So, what are the organs of human blood circulation? Human circulatory organs have three main components, namely the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Do you know how the heart, blood vessels, and blood regulate the blood in the body? Let's discuss. Number 1. Heart. The heart control center for blood circulation is the heart. The heart functions to pump blood throughout the body. The heart is located in the left chest cavity. The size of the human heart is the size of each of our fists. Do you know how the heart works? The heart works continuously. If our heart stops working, then we will die. The way the heart works is A. If both atria of the heart expand, blood from the veins will enter the atria. B. When both atria close and ventricles expand, blood from the atria enters the ventricles. C. When two chambers are close together, blood flows out of the chambers or heart into the aorta. During work, the wall of the heart muscle expand and contract. Number 2. Blood vessels. Blood vessels function to circulate oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Blood vessels are divided into two types, namely A. Arteries, which are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. Contain clean blood that is rich in oxygen. The largest arteries is called the aorta. B. Veins, namely blood vessels that carry blood the heart. Contain dirty blood. There are three veins, namely the upper, lower, and pulmonary veins. Number 3. Blood. Blood plays an important role for humans because it functions to circulate oxygen throughout the body and carry carbon dioxide from all over the body to the lungs. Blood in the human body flows through the organs of the human's blood circulation throughout the body. Blood consists of blood plasma, red blood cells or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes, and platelets. The function of blood in the human body is number 1. To carry out the process of blood clotting. Number 2. Distribute nutrients throughout the body. Number 3. The presence of antibodies that function against bacteria and disease. Number 4. Distribute oxygen, hormones, and various important components for the health of the human body. Number 5. Bring out toxic substance and metabolic wastes, carbon dioxide, from the human body. There are two circulatory systems in the human body, namely small blood circulation and larger blood circulation. Pulmonary circulation is the circulation of blood from the heart to the lungs, then back to the heart. While the major blood circulation or systemic circulation is the circulation of blood from the heart to the rest of the body, then back to the heart. The circulatory system works by sending blood, oxygen, and nutrients throughout the body. If blood flow to certain part of the body is reduced, it can cause various symptoms due to disorders of the circulatory system. Disorders and disease of the circulatory system are often found in a person. Some of the causes of the test disorders can be due to heredity or genetics, damage to the circulatory system, and other factors. Virus disorders and disease of the circulatory system, namely, number 1, anemia. Anemia is a disease of lack of blood. Lack of blood occurs because the content of hemoglobin in red blood cells in low or reduced. Number 2, thalassemia. Thalassemia is a disease caused by heredity. Thalassemia is common in infants and children. In people with thalassemia, the binding capacity of red blood cells to oxygen is low because of the failure to form hemoglobin. People with severe thalassemia require blood transfusion every month. Number 3, hemophilia. Hemophilia is a disease that makes it difficult for blood to clot when there is an injury. This disorder is caused by heredity or genetic. The disorder cannot be treated, but it can be prevented. Patients must avoid bleeding so that the blood does not flow continuously. That's all I explained about the circulation of blood in humans. Hopefully, the bias is useful for all of us. If there are mistakes, I'm apologies. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.